another. Behold, Mac Mini server. Comes in a small box. Kinda cute though. Alright, so let's take the wrapper off. Package sure is small. Is this it? It's actually a bit heavier than it seems. There's those snow leopard documentation. Just a manual. Software DVDs. There's the HDMI to DVI adapter, just so you can connect any monitor to it. And as you all know, there's no power brick this time. It's all integrated inside. Just a standard power connector. And that's it. Sure does feel sturdy though. So now I'm going to remove the back plate like so. And there are the guts inside. You can see the fan right here. There's the airport antenna, and there's the RAM modules. And over here you can actually make out the power supply. Alright, so you can see all the I/O. There's the power button on the corner. There's the power input, Ethernet, Firewire 800, HDMI, the mini display port, 4 USB ports, the SD card slot, audio in and out, and this is now the vent, the exhaust vent. And on the front side you have the IR receiver and little status light. And so this is where the Superdrive will go. Looks alright. And there's my early 2005 Mac Mini G4 1.25 gigahertz. This is the one with the 80 gigabyte hard drive. Superdrive, non-dual layer. It doesn't have AirPort and it doesn't have Bluetooth. Comparing it to the new one. It's a bit long in the tooth. Have it all connected up. Now I have the MacBook Air Superdrive above. So let's power it up.